We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more related and useful expressions from this language or in this language as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this word? Well, in English, and it is the case as well in Scottish or in Scotland, this is said as Gaelic, Gaelic. But in Ireland, in Irish, this is normally pronounced as Gaelic. So if you're talking about a Gaelic name, but of Irish origin, or you know it is from Ireland, you're going to be saying this is a Gaelic name. But if it's Scottish or from the UK in general, you would say it as Gaelic. In English though, Gaelic, unless it is from Ireland, Gaelic. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting Gaelic and Gaelic names and expressions whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.